We're Rachel and Austin, traveling the USA in our Winnebago Revel, with our dog Olympia. Getting out of the small space, today Olympia's enjoying her best day ever at the beach in Cape Cod.
Guess where we're at?
The America, the beautiful pass, actually works on the Cape Cod National Shore. Second place on the trip this works. There are like 3 beaches you can take a dog to before November 1st. Here at
Marconi Beach.
It's raining today. So good. Trekking the van into shitty weather. What kind of shark do you think it is? The lifeguards were nice enough to tell us that it actually was a sunfish, which is this bad boy right here. We are in Provincetown, at the very tip of the Cape. We did drive past the Pilgrim Monument. That's pretty cool. The National Park Service recommends staying 150 feet away from seals. Not only could the seals be dangerous, but there might be sharks nearby. Be sure to check the Shark Activity app. Always clean up after your dog.